Hello, in this video I want to show you how to invite friends to online play in Baldur's Gate 3. And to do this we have multiple different options, and one thing to note here is that I'm playing on Steam. I'm not sure if this works the same way on GOG. Now let's click on a new game. And right here in the bottom left corner there's invite friends. You can click on that plus button, then choose a friend from your list and invite him to your game. After a few moments his avatar will appear right here. Just like that. You can also kick that person by clicking on this button right there. Now let's go back and let me show you the other way to do it. In case you've already played with your friend and you want to invite him back to your game that he had a character in, then simply load that same save. And click on escape, then there's invite friends, the same thing right here. You can click on it to invite it. Then there's also option to invite your friends into single player games, but that way he or she won't be able to create their own characters. They will need to play as your own companions. In the game somewhere further there's option, I think, to create custom companions, so you can make a new character for him that way. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.